It's your boy Classic, I'm back. Yeah, you thought I left? Listen, it's been a minute, I'm a little rusty, but look. Yeah, fuck with me. Listen, niggas think that they hot, let me pull out the heater. I'ma treat a nigga like a wife beater. You get any closer, nigga, I'm gon' murk your people. I come through like the Reaper. I don't smoke reefer. I got it on deck for the low hole. Crack on top like Empire States do. Y'all be wanting to be in the black and blue. Niggas blood and grip, well I'll bust your lip. I fuck your bitch, I'm so legit. MC Hammer ain't got shit on me. Ain't nobody gonna do shit to Cleve. And rest in peace to my cousin James McCleve. Motherfucker, look, I'm on some ill shit. Beef if you want, I'ma eat you like a steak, bitch. I'm a beast in this motherfucker. I call me Gorilla Zoe, a Gorilla Monsudo. And I don't know Kung Fu though, but I know crazy, and I fuck your ass up. I'm on some other shit. Southside gangsta gas south where we bang you. Blood in my mouth, I'm a stranger. Dog, I'm a stranger. I'm so fucking mean, I just dangle her. I'm the fucking building. This shit ain't over until I jump in. I'm 6 in, matter of fact, call me 7. I should've been in hell, but I'm dogging heaven. Sitting on high, look where I came from, I'm still big. People thought I was gonna die early. I've been in school, I'm in college. I got my barber license, dog, just holler. If you wanna borrow, holler tomorrow. I got shit to do, don't borrow. I'm sick, antidote please. Listerine ain't even mean, it ain't even green. I'm so off the chain like breaking backs. Oh, trampolines.